Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach our first lesson's second part, adoption. Once during rainy season, Pooja and Neha went on a picnic at a place far away from their school. They enjoyed and played with their friends in the garden. Taking lunch in the garden, Arun, a classmate, asked Mayank, "Who is she with you?" Mayank, "This is my younger sister." Arun, "She was never seen with you earlier. How did it happen suddenly?" Mayank, "She is new to our family. My parents have adopted her. Just as I am the son to my parents, the same way she is the daughter to my parents. So, this is my sister. She is very dear to me. She works with me and imitates me." To provide legal protection, any relative or any other child is called adoption. Think if you are living in a nuclear family and your mother is out for 2 or 3 days, then how do you feel? You feel loneliness. Discuss with your teacher about the schools, ashrams, hostels which are run by government for orphan children. For orphan children, government runs schools, ashrams and hostels, etc. Government also provide financial and other aid to those non-government organizations who work for orphans. Who are called orphan? An orphan is a child whose parents have died or unknown or have permanently abandoned them. Commonly, we use orphan is a child whose parents was lost. Commonly, we use orphan is a child who has lost both parents, that means father and mother, due to death is called orphan. What is adoption? Adoption is the act or the legal process of becoming a non-biological parents. The act of legally taking a child to be taken care of as their own children, their own child. Who resembles whom? Pooja's sister Jyoti went with her mother to attend her uncle's marriage. Her Mosiji also came there. She had a little baby girl in her lap. Jyoti said, "Mother, see how beautiful is this doll. Oh, see her nose resembles Nani's. Her eyes resemble Chachi's. And her fair complexion is like that of grandfather. And complexion of her brother's face is light wheatish. Which of your physical features resemble your family members? Which feature to which members? Write down in your copy." Face resemble to my father. Eyes resemble to my mother. Nose resemble to my brother. Forehead resemble to my father. Ears resemble to my mother. And complexion resemble to my sister, like this. Okay? Jyoti, mother, in my class, Preeti writes with her left hand, but her handwriting is very beautiful. She has been also awarded for this. I asked her, why don't you write with your right hand? We all do use our right hand for writing. She said, I do all my work with left hand. I tried to write with my right hand, but I couldn't. Which of your habits match with which of your family members? Write in your notebook. Habit writing. Write with my mother's handwriting. Eating with my sister. Talking match with my sister. Walking match with my brother. And poster match with my mother, like this. Okay, we are these features of children match with the features of their parents. Paternal grandparents and maternal features are called genetic features or hereditary features. These features are passed on from generation to generation. That means grandfather to grandparents to our parents and our parents to us. Then later it will go to our children also. Children inherit some features from their environment which are not hereditary. Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel was an Austrian monk and a scientist who discovered the basic principles of heredity through his experiments in his monastery's garden on pea plant. His observations became the foundation of modern genetics and the study of heredity. So, he is called father of modern genetics or father of genetics. Dr. Hargobind Khorana. He is an Indian American biochemist. He was one of the first scientists to demonstrate the role of nucleotides in protein synthesis and helped crack the genetic code. For their interpretations of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis, he awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968. Dr. Hargobind Khorana. Sarika did understand that we are like our parents or other members of our family. But why all monkeys are alike or same? She was confused about this. Are all living beings alike except human beings? Yes. All living beings are alike except human beings. How does a cow recognize her calf? A cow recognizes her calf by smelling and licking it. How does your mother recognize you in a crowd? Your mother recognizes you in a crowd by seeing you. These are our topics. Then exercise. Question number 1. Features passed on from generation to generation in the family is called dash. What's the answer? Hereditary features. Second question. Write the names of any two scientists who worked in the field of genetics. Can you say? Yes. Gregor John Mendel and Dr. Hargobind Khorana. Hereditary symptoms of features are received from paternal grandparents, maternal grandparents, parents, all. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, all. What relationship do you have with your mother's sister? Your mother's sister is your mosi or maternal aunt or maternal auntie. What is the difference between a joint family and a nuclear family? First part we studied this. Can you say the answer? Yes, a family having parents and their children living together are called nuclear family. But a family having parents, grandparents, uncle, auntie and their children all are living together are called joint family. Examination type questions. Your relationship with your mother's brother is that of nephew, grandson or granddaughter, son or daughter, none of this. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, none of this. Father of your father is your dash. Who is your father of your father? Uncle, grandmother, grandfather, maternal uncle. What is the answer? Yes, grandfather. Your relationship with your father's brother is that of brother, son, paternal uncle, maternal uncle. Which is the answer? Paternal means relatives of father. Maternal means relatives of our mother. So which is the answer? Yes, paternal uncle. Fourth question. In a nuclear family, children are brought up by dash. Parents, paternal grandparents, maternal grandparents, paternal grandparents, maternal grandparents, maternal grandparents, uncle, auntie. Which is the answer? Yes, parents. In a nuclear family, children are brought up by parents. Fifth question. Enlist major reasons behind the formation of nuclear families. Can say what are the major reasons of formation of nuclear family? The reasons of emergence of nuclear families are moving to cities in search of work or profession, for education, economic condition, differences in the habits, behavior or lifestyle of all the family members, modernizations and desire to enjoy more liberty. Look at the picture below and identify the personality. Grigor John Mendel, Dr. Hargobind Khorana, Kalpana Chawla, Rakesh Sharma. Who is this? This is Dr. Hargobind Khorana. Okay? These questions are right on your copy. These are our topics. So study well. Thank you.